Well, I'll be taking you on a bike ride to show you one of the worst roads of Bengaluru, and I have been told that this particular road that we are going to show you was built just a year back, and in a year the condition of that road will just surprise you and shock you. And trust me, I've taken the help of a localite who's given me his bike so that we can show you this road. So we'll go on a bike ride and we will see this road, and the condition of this road is in one of the worst condition. And trust me, this road is just 4 kilometers or 5 kilometers from Whitefield. It is surrounded by IT parks. If I can tell my camera person to just pan around and show you, these are all apartments that are coming up by big companies for the IT employees. So trust me, this is one of the most important roads. This is the Vartur Punjur Patnur highway, and me and my camera person Gurucharan Singh will now go on a bike ride to show you how bad this particular road is. Let's go. So we are moving from here, and just 50 meters from where we have started is the situation of this road. This entire stretch, I think this is around say for all you know 20-30 meters road, and the entire road is filled with gravel and potholes, and there is no road. Only this part of the stretch where I am going is a road. On the left hand side, if I can show you that black vehicle, he is trying to go on that side because only one car can move in this road, and that is that white car which is moving. That is why the black one had to go from the left hand side. Now you have another 100 meters of this stretch which is clean, but after this what you are going to see is going to be a shock for all of us, because it is very difficult to believe that on a road like this, which was built just a year back, the condition of this road is going to be like this. Now all of us are on the right hand side because left hand side clearly is not a road where you can ride your bike. But let me just take you on the left. Let me just take you around and show you. See, there is a bullet in front, there is another vehicle, and how difficulty it is for him to remove his vehicle. Now this is the situation in which residents are traveling every day. Look at this. Do you expect a thing like this on a road, on a highway? This is very deep. One of the deepest potholes I have seen. And imagine in night, during the night when you are riding on this road, the problems that you will face. Now this is another stretch of the road. We have just crossed what, how much? 250-300 meters, and this is how the situation is. Now imagine with the difficulty in which we are also riding this bike, imagine with how much difficulty on a daily basis people are going to try. It is very difficult to find the road itself over here, because the entire road is filled with potholes like this, with craters like this, and trust me, I don't think we need to go to SpaceX or ISRO or NASA to see craters. We can find them on our roads itself, and that is how Bengaluru has been. We've always been for technology, for ISRO, and we didn't expect that we'll get craters on our own road for our public to see. Though the government has said that in the next 1 month, by October end, November beginning, is a deadline that they have given to all contractors and people who are with regards to the BBMP workers, the GBA workers, that they will clear the road by November. We'll have to wait and watch, because there is no one road or 100 roads which are in problem. They are close to thousands of potholes. The Deputy Chief Minister himself has said close to 10,000 potholes are there in this city, and these potholes need immediate attention. Right now we have travelled close to 400 to 300 meters on this particular Gunjur-Palya highway to show you the condition of this road. As you all saw, that the condition of this road is not great, and with how difficulty we travelled on this road just to get you this report. And this is a bike we requested from a localite nearby, so that we can give you a real picture of the problem and how people ride and drive in this particular road. Bringing you this report from the Gunjur-Palya 100 feet road is me, Mohammad Wajiullah, along with my camera person Gurucharan Singh for News 9.